Imagine that you have the power to shape the future. Imagine that you can invest in the best opportunities and trends that are transforming the world. Imagine that you can make money and make a difference simultaneously. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. This video will show you why this generation offers an excellent investment opportunity and how you can take advantage of it. When we talk about this generation, we refer to the people born between the early 1980s and the early 2010s. These people grew up with the internet, social media, smartphones, and other technological innovations that have changed the world. These people have faced many challenges, including the global financial crisis, the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, social unrest, and political polarization. But despite these challenges, this generation has also shown many strengths, such as resilience, adaptability, creativity, diversity, and social consciousness. This generation has also shown a keen interest in investing in the stock market and other financial products. According to some estimates, there were about 10 million new individual investors in the US alone who began investing since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. And most of these new investors were millennials or Gen Z. So why is this generation so interested in investing? And why is this a good thing for the world? Well, there are several reasons for that. Let me share some of them with you. First, this generation has access to more information and education than ever. The internet and online platforms allow them to learn about different investment options, strategies, risks, and opportunities. They can also access various data sources, analysis, news, and opinions to help them make informed decisions. They can also compare different products and services and choose the ones that suit their needs and preferences. Secondly, this generation has access to more tools and platforms that make investing easier and cheaper. They can trade stocks and other securities with zero or low commissions thanks to online brokerage platforms and apps such as Robinhood. They can also use robo-advisors such as Betterment or Wealthfront to help them create and manage diversified portfolios based on their goals and risk tolerance. They can also use social media and online communities such as Reddit's Wall Street Bets or Twitter's FinTwit to share ideas, tips, insights, and opinions with other investors. Thirdly, this generation has more motivation and incentive to invest than ever. They have seen the impact of the global financial crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic on their lives and their futures. They have realized that they cannot rely on traditional sources of income or security, such as jobs or pensions. They have also realized that they must save and invest for their long-term goals, such as retirement or buying a house. They have also realized that they must beat inflation and generate positive returns over time. Fourthly, this generation has more opportunities and potential to invest than ever before. They have witnessed the emergence of new technologies, industries, markets, and trends that have created new possibilities for growth and innovation. They have also witnessed the rise of new challenges and problems that have created new demands for solutions and impact. They have also witnessed the rise of new values and preferences, creating new expectations for sustainability and responsibility. This generation has access to various investment opportunities in e-commerce, streaming services, social media, cloud, computing, biotechnology, electric vehicles, renewable energy, cryptocurrency, blockchain, fintech, gaming, virtual reality, and augmented reality. These are real businesses generating revenues and solving problems while creating value for society. They deliver significant benefits and impacts, making shopping more convenient, communication more interactive, healthcare more personalized, power generation more clean, money more decentralized, and transactions more verifiable. These benefits are measurable, contributing to the growth of various markets worldwide. These are just some examples of the many indicators and metrics that show the performance and potential of these sectors and companies. And these indicators and metrics are not just numbers or statistics. These indicators and metrics reflect the value and impact these sectors and companies create for their customers, shareholders, employees, partners, suppliers, regulators, competitors, communities, societies, and environments. So what does all this mean for this generation as investors? It means that this generation has a unique opportunity to invest in sectors and companies that are not only profitable, but also purposeful. It means that this generation has a unique opportunity to invest in sectors and companies that are not only innovative but also impactful. And this is not just an opportunity for this generation as investors. It is also the responsibility of this generation as investors, because this generation has a stake in the future of these sectors and companies, because this generation has a voice in the direction of these sectors and companies, because this generation has a choice in selecting these sectors and companies. And this is where this generation can make a difference as investors, investing in sectors and companies that support their goals and aspirations, by choosing to invest in sectors and companies that contribute to their well-being and happiness. For example, this generation can invest in sectors and companies promoting sustainability and responsibility, investing in sectors and companies that reduce their environmental footprint, increase their social impact, and improve their governance practices. Investing in sectors and companies that follow the principles of environmental, social, and governance. ESG investing is a form of investing that considers the financial performance and the environmental, social, and governance performance of a sector or a company. ESG investing is based on the idea that sectors and companies that perform well on ESG criteria can also perform well on financial criteria. ESG investing is also based on the idea that sectors and companies that perform well on ESG criteria can also create positive outcomes for society. And this generation is showing a strong interest in ESG investing. According to some surveys, about 95% of millennials are interested in ESG investing, and about 80% are willing to pay higher fees for ESG products. And this generation is also showing a strong influence on ESG investing. According to some estimates, millennials and Gen Z will inherit about $68 trillion from their parents and grandparents by 2030. And they are expected to allocate more of their wealth to ESG investments than previous generations. So by investing in ESG sectors and companies, this generation can generate financial returns and create social and environmental value. They can not only grow their wealth, but also improve the world. For example, this generation can invest in sectors and companies that foster innovation and impact. Investing in sectors and companies that develop new technologies, products, services, and solutions that address the needs and challenges of society. By investing in sectors and companies that follow the principles of impact investing. Impact investing is a form of investing that aims to generate positive social and environmental impact alongside financial return. Impact investing is based on the idea that sectors and companies that create positive impact can also create financial value. Impact investing is also based on the idea that sectors and companies that create positive impact can also attract more customers, employees, partners, investors, and stakeholders. And this generation is showing a strong interest in impact investing. According to some surveys, about 90% of millennials are interested in impact investing, and about 70% have already made an impact investment. And this generation is also showing a strong influence on impact investing. According to some estimates, millennials and Gen Z will account for about 75% of the global workforce by 2025, and they are expected to demand more impact from their employers, customers, suppliers, regulators, competitors, communities, societies, and environments. So, by investing in impact sectors and companies, this generation can generate financial returns and create social and environmental value. They can not only grow their wealth, but also improve the world. These are examples of how this generation can invest in sectors and companies that align with their values and preferences. And these are just some examples of how this generation can make a difference as investors. But there are many more ways that this generation can invest in sectors and companies that offer an excellent investment opportunity. And there are many more reasons why this generation should invest in sectors and companies that offer an excellent investment opportunity. And that is why we encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. And that is why we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.